affected the music I create I would say by number one being my number one muse. Just growing up here during the Chocolate City time, it's just a lot to take from it. And you know, we got a lot of cultural influences, icons, figures, and it's hard for that not to rub off on you. So I would say for one, the people, you know, the way we talk, the way we dress, the things we into, the trends we set, all that is affecting my music. One of my favorite eras in DC was like 2006. You know, it was a lot of like Bohemian Caverns, U Street, a lot of just local indie rappers coming out, doing their thing. Obviously Desmond, you know what I'm saying, leading the wave with that. My audience, smart girls. That's it. That's all I want listening to my music. It's like, nah, I'm joking, but educated people like to think. You know, it's a true and every joke, but definitely people who looking to elevate and not just looking to hear beats. You know, listen, they look for lyrics and stuff like that. So coming out June 2021, Love Story. It's gonna be a two-part, like an EP. It's gonna be 2 EPs, but yeah, that's coming out June. I'm on Instagram at Hadi Shakur, HADISHAKUUR. Follow Los Clientele, that's the label, and yeah, appreciate y'all.